In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over image in Google Docs. If you want your text to appear on top of an image inside a Google Doc, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. This is useful for things like designing a cover page, creating a flyer, labeling an image, or just making your document look more polished and visually engaging. To get started, open your Google Doc and go to the document where your image has already been inserted. Make sure you can clearly see the image you want to work with, because that's the object you'll be adjusting so the text can appear over it. Next, right-click directly on the image. This opens the image-related menu where you'll find several formatting options. If you don't see the menu right away, just make sure you clicked on the image itself and not somewhere else in the document. From that menu, click on Image Options. This opens the settings panel that gives you more control over how the image behaves in the document. These options are especially helpful when you want to change the layout and placement of the image in relation to your text. Once the Image Options panel is open, look for the Text Wrapping dropdown. Click on that dropdown to reveal the available wrapping styles. This setting controls how text interacts with your image, whether it stays around it, breaks above and below it, or appears in front of or behind it. From the drop-down, select Behind Text. This is the key setting that allows your written content to show on top of the image. In other words, the image moves into the background while the text remains in the foreground, where it can be read over the picture. After that, drag the image onto the area where your text is located. As you move the image behind the text will appear above the image. You may need to reposition the image a little bit so it lines up exactly the way you want. Take your time here, because small adjustments can make a big difference in how clean and readable the final result looks. If needed, you can also click and drag the image edges to resize it so it fits better behind the text. Just be careful not to make the image so busy or dark that the words become hard to read. A lighter image or a well-placed section of the image usually gives the best result. And that's it. You've successfully placed text over an image in Google Docs.